So 3 hours and 25 minutes. So now we are close to the col. This is where we go. This is a small glacier. Actually, according to the maps, we're supposed to be on the glacier at the moment, but actually not. You see nice view of mountains there, some nice fog. This is the moon that was illuminating us. And it's a bit cold here. It's morning, 7 o'clock, 30 minutes. How is it there?
Let them demonstrate who is responsible for the
Glacier retreat?
glacier retreat.
How we do it? Yeah, this is...
Sorry,
we make we do it again like this. Yeah. We are destroying glaciers. So ice is like this.
Is this safe? You have to say 50-50. Is it safe?
50-50.
What 50-50? 50% we live, 50% we die.
50-50. So we have developed the way to climb glaciers without crampons.
Glaciers in September is not snow covered,
Yeah.
just pure ice.
It's either ice, you don't step on ice, but you step on morena.
Ice.
If you step on morena, it's easy. Yeah.
Woo. Let's
Take your phone on.
jumping. Woo.
So now we are in this rocky part. It looks like Couloir de la Mort. Actually, somewhere there, on the way up there, you see Mont Blanc. Maybe in GoPro it's not really easy to see, but it's there. And here is a rockfall. It's a crazy rockfall. And these rocks, be really careful not to fuck up.
Is it safe? $50-50, yeah?
So our aim is to get somewhere there. I'm also destroyed, but we have 100 meters left.
100 meters, yeah?
Yes, and we should do it.
Yeah.
Maybe even less.
100 meters is not that much.
Yes, let's do it. Now it's a little bit of a reach, a glacier and very nice panorama of Wallis and Alps. We're on the top. This is the cross.